If you're lucky enough to go away during the coldest time of the year, you're going to need your wardrobe to match that. I've got fashion expert Nicola Loewen with me, and we're talking essentials to pack. So how are you, Nicola?
Good, how are you?
Good, I'm excited. This makes me happy, seeing some summery
Some
stuff.
color, it's just very exciting.
So what do we start with?
Yeah, so we're going to talk about packing smart. So packing smart means packing less, and I'm one that's really bad for that. I love my options. I love my possibilities for
I just
outfits.
take my wardrobe and here.
Exactly.
Take it all with me.
Yeah, because you don't want to be stuck without anything. So talking about key pieces, planning ahead, and really thinking through those outfits.
Oh, now you're making me plan ahead too.
And then that way we can make possibilities out of all of them.
I like it.
Starting with our airport outfit, because to me, you're going to be wearing your heaviest pieces.
Well, you don't want them to take up that precious weight you're allowed in your suitcase.
Exactly. Okay. So layers too, right? Because you're leaving a cold destination, probably going to a warm destination. You want to be in layers for that exact reason.
I love it. And traveling in denim's super comfortable.
Exactly. So starting with our lightweight denim or light colored denim, our light colored white denim pants as well. This is great because we can pair it with basically anything. You could do just a basic tee, but we're going to pair it with this great white and yellow striped blouse.
Which is fun and summery
It's
looking.
fun, it's bright, really lightweight. It's a rayon, so it's going to be super easy to wear, super comfortable.
Yeah.
And I would suggest pairing this with your sneaker because, again, that's one of your heavier pieces going into your suitcase.
Then you're running, walking, whatever through the airport.
You're comfortable.
You're good to go.
Yeah. And then when you get there, put on a great pair of sandals, and it's an easy transitional piece.
Beautiful. So what do we have next?
So next we're going to do a jumpsuit. What I love about a jumpsuit is if you are traveling with your kids, it's very functional.
I haven't been brave enough to try one of these yet.
So you need to, because it's one of those things that to me, it's like a dress, right? It's one of those classic pieces in your wardrobe. You're probably not going to fall in love with the first jumpsuit you try on.
So try on a couple.
Try on numerous.
Don't hate yourself
Exactly. It will come. But it's a great piece to travel with because, again, it's functional. You can bend, you can move, you're not worrying about
You could throw this on over your swimsuit.
Exactly. Over a bathing suit. You could do it out for dinner. I love this with potentially a sneaker or a great sandal. Again,
or let's bring that jacket onto it again, right? It's just one of those things. Very easy and multifunctional. I love it. Cute.
Yeah. Pair that with the sneaker and it's just easy.
Done.
Yeah.
So what's our next
exploring
one?
So next is for your dinners out. If you're going on a cruise, you kind of need that dressier piece,
and
right?
it's polka dots.
Who doesn't love a polka dot?
love
Classic
a polka
print, really great. It's not going to be just your resort piece. It's going to be for multiple different seasons.
And with this fabric, you could just throw this in your suitcase.
Totally. Roll it up in a ball, put it in your suitcase, and then it's great for wearing.
I love it.
And it's ready for dancing, right?
And now you've got some shoe options here too.
Yes. Yeah. So I would say pack 2 to 3 pairs of shoes.
Okay.
Keep them all very neutral because then that way they're going to work with all your outfits.
Everything. You want a nice walking shoe, a nice little wedge.
I love something even like this because it's got a thicker heel to it. So if you are walking on the sand, you're walking on grass, it's going to be a comfortable piece, right?
Beautiful. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. For more tips, tricks, and ideas, you can visit marcandmandy.com. That's all the time we have for today, but we'll see you next time on The Marc and Mandy Show.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.